Ever needed to quickly share a document straight from your Google Drive without downloading it first? Whether it's a resume, a report, or any file, attaching it to an email directly from Drive is super easy. In today's guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to attach a document to an email using Google Drive, the full 2025 method. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also share a quick tip to make sure your recipient can actually open the file without those annoying access denied errors. Let's get started. First, open your Google Drive on your computer or mobile browser and sign in with your Google account. Find the document you want to send. This could be a Google Doc, a PDF, or even a Word file you've uploaded. Next, right-click on the file. If you're on mobile, simply tap the three dots beside the file name. Now select Share or Get Link. Here's the important part. Before attaching it, make sure your file permissions are set correctly. Choose either Anyone with the link if you want everyone with the link to open it, or keep it restricted if it's sensitive and you only want specific people to have access. Once your sharing settings are ready, open Gmail or any email service that integrates with Drive. Start composing a new email. In the email editor, look for the Google Drive icon. It looks like a small triangle. Click on it, and your Drive will open in a pop-up window. From here, select the document you want to attach. You'll get two options: Drive link or attachment. If it's a Google Doc, sheet, or slide, it will only be sent as a link so you can keep it editable. If it's a PDF or other file type, you can choose to send it as an actual attachment. Click Insert, and your file is now attached to the email. Add your recipient, subject line, and a quick message. Then hit Send. And that's it. The document is now delivered directly from Google Drive without cluttering your computer with extra downloads. And that's how easy it is to attach a document to an email directly from Google Drive in 2025. No more downloading, no more messy files, just a smooth and quick sharing process. If this guide helped you, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more step-by-step tech tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.